today we're at 5446 Shasta Avenue in San Pablo, California. We're in this beautiful apartment unit. It features a totally redone space, brand new carpet, new painting, updates galore. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. I'm walking into the kitchen. Gonna do a quick spin around so you can see. Really nice, brand new countertops in excellent condition. I'm right here in the kitchen, so you can see there's plenty of storage for those cooks and whatnot. If you love to cook, a lot of good storage for you. You can always find this on our website at OpenworldProperties.com/vacancies. Let's go right here. Heater is right there to my left. Up in the front, you have a linen closet. To your left, you have a restroom, but we're gonna go right here instead to the bathroom. Spin around to the window. We have ample storage right there in the unit with those glass closet doors that are really nice. Really love those. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna go right here and see. I'm just spinning up at the carpet so you can take a look at the fact that you're gonna be moving into a brand new place that is ready for moving, updated. 2-liter bathtub. Spotless, clean. Nowadays you want everything you're moving into to be clean and in great condition. Let's go up to this bedroom. And as you can see, carpet, good, really nice unit. Pan around, you can see large, deep closets. And we're in the 2nd bedroom right here. Okay, so this unit is at 5446 Shasta Avenue, San Pablo, California. You can find this on our website as well at OpenworldProperties.com/vacancies. And let's go back into the living room one last time. On-site parking right out the unit door.